In this video, we'll show you how social login works inside the dashboard, how customers can log in using Google, and how easy it is to place an order. Let's start with the dashboard. After logging in, navigate to Customer Management in the Social Login section. Here, you can see some tips on how to set up Google Login. First, open the link. Then open Credentials section and create a new project. Click on the plus Create Credentials option and select OAuth Client ID. Complete all the project configuration details. Then click on the Create button. Set a web application type. Add the URL as shown in the dashboard to the URL field here. Then click on the Create button. Copy the client ID and secret from here and add it to the Foodiv dashboard. Save the changes. Next, let's examine how customers sign in using social sign-in. Tap on Login in the side menu. Once the user clicks Continue with Google, a secure Google authentication window opens. The user simply selects their Google account. After authentication, the system verifies the credentials and automatically redirects the user to the dashboard. If the account is new, the system instantly creates a profile. If it's an existing user, it logs them in directly. Let's select an item and add it to the cart. Because the user logged in via Google, basic profile information is already pre-filled, making checkout faster and more convenient. After confirming the details, the order is placed successfully. The customer receives instant confirmation, and the order is now processed in the system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more tips.